Okay, so I want to make the meat for my burrito. And so for my burrito, I'm going to make the meat exactly like I make taco meat. For basic taco meat, it would be onions and garlic. One thing good about this is also really easy, you know. It's easy to go out and buy a burrito for $4 or $5. But this burrito, the meat is 75 cents. And, ooh, guess I'm having a lot of onion tonight. And a little garlic salt. And let's see, some pepper. And some crushed red pepper. I make almost all hamburger. Every hamburger thing I make is usually, this is how I make it. Okay, so that was some good macaroni and cheese, and I saved the rest. I'll put that in the freezer, and that is really good for a quick snack. You know, you're too tired to cook. I've been working a lot today. I'm going to be working a lot. I'm setting up a thrift store on eBay. And it's really easy to do. It's no harder to do than the regular eBay. It's just trying to decide, you know, how low can I charge and still make a little money. But what I try to do is I try to give all my customers a really good deal. That's why, especially if I happen to think that the person buying my stuff is a vendor, I go, oh, my kind of customer, because if you're a vendor, you always need stuff, you know. And when I will be going back to the swap meet soon, too. It's just that it's brutally hot. Okay, so I had only 2 lousy jalapenos left. So I don't want too many jalapenos. But this is going to be good in my burrito. And then the other jalapenos came out of my carrots. If you have kids, just don't add the jalapenos. And I find this meat from Grocery Outlet to be good. Okay, so it's pretty much done. So, okay, so let me see if I can get a little chunk off. Dollar Tree. And so, you know, I want to melt my cheese, you know, into my meat, and that is going to be really easy to make my burrito. All I need is a little sour cream and a little tomatoes, and so this is going to be a pretty good burrito. Okay, I'll be back.